to go after? Well, to go after, the obvious meaning is to pursue something. So, the dog goes after the ball. There you are. Now let's hope he gives the ball back, that he lets it go. My dog never used to do that. He wouldn't let go. There's another phrasal verb for you. To let go. We can also go after our dreams. This young girl is going after her dream to be a singer. She's pursuing her dream. We could also go after a job, a career, an ambition. Simply means to pursue, to go after.